What's up, everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today, yes, today of all days, we've got another unboxing for you. This time, it's the D-Link EXO AC2600 Smart Wi-Fi Mesh Router, and the actual little mesh addition to that, the AC2000 version of it. This guy little plugs in here. Extend your Wi-Fi network through mesh technology. It's fantastic. But before we get into this unboxing, you know what you should do? You should hit the subscribe button down here, and you'll be informed of all the content as we post them. We post videos on everything these days, unboxings, the video reviews, 1-minute reviews. We also have text summaries, but they'll always be linked from the videos. So if you just hit the subscribe button, you'll be informed of everything as we post them. But this is an unboxing, right? Here are the two boxes. Let's open them and see what's inside. Why don't we start with this guy right here? I have my knife here. Let's see if I can do this. Nope, we're doing it with the knife. So, be very careful with knives. Open this up right here. Remove all this plastic from here. Okay, go. Put that right there for now. And let's see what's in this box. Okay, open this up. Has that new technology smell. There for now. Here's a little setup. Whoop, some literature. Works with Google Assistant. We'll see what that is later. We got the EXO router itself, which is a beast. Look at this monster. Look at that. Yeah. Look at how many antennas it's got. Lots of antennas. Just like that. Oh, probably like that. There we go. A little bit better. Just like that. Put this over here. Let's see what else we get in here. What is this? Little quick install guide. More literature. You get Ethernet cable, flat, and the AC adapter right here. That's it for this box. Put this stuff back in here. Put this over here for now. Now let's see what's in this box. Okay, let's open this up here. That right there. This guy flips up like this. This should be pretty standard stuff. Here's some more literature, as you can see right there. And then the range extender, which looks like it just plugs into an outlet. Right there. It's got a single Ethernet port right on the bottom. And yeah, I think that's, let's see what else is there. And an Ethernet cable, which is actually not flat, but it is yellow. So there you go. Put that back in there. That's really it. This is an unboxing, right? We just unboxed everything. So these two things work in a mesh network together, and we'll see how they work in a full review upcoming in a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. And remember what I said in the beginning. Please, you should hit that subscribe button. It's red. It's in the bottom. It's right below here. Hit that. You'll be informed of all the content as we post them. Please leave me some feedback, and I'd love to hear from you. I understand that it takes a little bit of time from review to review, but you know, everyone's busy, including myself, and when we actually get a chance to review stuff, we love reviewing stuff. We also love hearing from people, so please send us your feedback. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.